All right, welcome everyone. This is Irvin here, Tim with Irvin. Today is March 24, 2020, making today a Wednesday. We're gonna go over today we're gonna be analyzing the week that we already did on Sunday. We're gonna see how well we are doing on our trades. So remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds of pips, guys. Let's get excited here, because this is how I do it here. I collect here hundreds and hundreds of pips. So again, this is the week of March 23rd to the 27th. So we're gonna start with our first pairs of the day. So we're gonna say it is US dollar versus our Swiss francs. Look at what I told you guys here on Wednesday. Okay, so they said it's a poor video. Then what do you mean on poor video? Which part is it? But as long as you hear me, so it matters, right? So if you guys have an issue, please let me know as well. Then I will find a different way to fix it. All right, let's go ahead. Let's continue. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was gonna do what? I said the market was gonna give us a bullish market. Look at what exactly. And then on Sunday, I said that the time frame that I was using on USD CHF is what? It's on the daily time frame. Let me go ahead and circle that. Look at, guys, secret here. Secret number one is always use your larger time frame. Use 4 hours, daily, weekly, and monthly. But you need to verify always on the larger time frame. And when you're gonna take the trade, then all you gotta do is move to the lower time frame, any lower time frame. As long you have the big bosses telling you what to do on the larger time frame, you have a winning ratio, guys. This is how I collect my hundreds and hundreds of pips out of it. It's that simple. Pay attention what I told you guys on Sunday. I say clearly the market was gonna come back and drop, retest our 61 Fibonacci line. Look at this candle here. This candle here came and retest what? It retest exactly what I told you. From that point on, what else did I say? I said the market was gonna come back and retest our mid 61 to our 78 Fibonacci line. Look at that. Look at where the candle is performing right away right now. Real time. What else did I say from that point on? Market, it will drop. So this setup here that I give you guys on Sunday is still accurate. Any question on that? Look at that. And I'm using the larger time frame. That's what I'm using. But remember, who is in charge here? What is your master trend? What do you guys think is doing? All right, so if you don't know, type number 2, so we can start talking a lot about a master trend and so on. But look at that. Look at how accurate it is, guys. This is not hard. Really, it's not hard. All right, so any questions so far? Because today I want everyone to know what we're doing here. All right, so and I just wanted to give you a shout out to Mr. Andrews. So if you guys have any question and I'm not able to answer it, I know he will be able to give you the answer. All right, pay attention here on AUD CHF. All right, so welcome, Pamex. We're gonna go ahead and let me know if what kind of question you have, and I will be more than happy to see if I can help you out. Okay. All right, so look at what we have here on AUD CHF. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was not ready, first of all, and I'm pretty sure the triple arrow was not there. Look at who is ready to go. You can watch the video side by side, exactly what I told you on Sunday, and you will be amazed. Last Wednesday when we did our analysis, out of 14 pairs, we lost only 3 pairs. I mean, three trades went against us, and 11 were winning ratio. Damn, this is damn pretty good, guys. And look at what the world is going to. The world is going to a very serious situation right now. But my stop is top notch. Well, that's what all of you, the ones that I do the 101, that's what you guys are telling me all the time. But so I go by what you guys telling me. But I mean, it is what it is. But look at here. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was still dropping. It was not fully ready there yet. And then what else did I say? From that point on, market was gonna go bullish. Look at what the market is doing. The market is doing exactly what I told you guys on Sunday. This is not hard, guys. Look at the time frame I'm using. Look at the time frame. I'm using 4 hours. Remember? 4 hours daily, weekly, and monthly. But who's really in charge here? What do you think is? Why do you think the triple arrow is there? Any newbie? Pamex. Forgive me if I pronounce your name wrong. Since you wanted to know about the master trend here, why do you think this trade is performing triple arrow a bullish market? Try to give me the answer, and I will be more than happy to help you out. Andrew, don't help him yet. Let's see if he has the answer. How to find the master trend if I see the big arrow, the daily, weekly pointing at me means the trend is bullish. Well, let me see. Don't help him yet, Andrew. I want everybody else to see this too. Let me go here. I'm having some issue. All right, so look at here. So the master trend in this one, talents. What's going on, talents? Let me see. For some reason, it frees up. But anyway, the master trend in this one is bearish, guy. So right now, what we're looking for in this Pamex, guy, is we just looking for a triple arrow pullback. Look at treatment 94 answered ahead of me. That's exactly what the market is doing. I always tell everyone, when you are gonna be trading triple arrow pullback, you need to know how to grab between 20 to 40 pips. Because look at right now, market is performing exactly what I told you guys on Sunday. But anything can change from that point, right where the market is. It can all suddenly drop. Why? Because this is a temporary triple arrow pullback. But in order for you to take a pullback, you need confirmation with the larger time frame. Hopefully this makes sense. If you're still confused, drop the question below. All right, so maybe Andrew can help me now for now. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and move on. Look at this. Out of 14, we got 2 winning trades already. I guarantee you would be extremely happy. Look at this other pair. Look at the euro versus our New Zealand dollars. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I'm pretty sure I think triple arrow was there, if I'm not mistaken. Even if it wasn't there, look at here. Triple arrow is telling us the market is bearish. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Exactly what I told you guys on Sunday. I said the market was gonna retest our 61 to our 78 Fibonacci line. Look at what the market is doing. Market is doing exactly what I told you guys on Sunday. By the way, if you're new in here, guys, make sure you subscribe. Really, I want everyone to subscribe, and keep putting the comments below, guys. I don't know what happened to here. Comment below. I'm here. Mr. Andrew's here. Mr. Andrew can help you out. And one more thing, guys. Let me take this off. Let me delete this. And one more thing, guys. Make sure you like this video as well, if you want to see more free video. All right. But look at what I told you guys on Sunday. It's doing exactly what I told you. This is freaking amazing. This is 3 out of 14. Hey, I know they winning ratio. God damn, this is good, guys. I'm telling you. I don't know if you guys getting this anywhere else. And look at this. And I do this analysis every Saturday is the pre-week, right? And Sunday is when I release the full analysis for the entire week. Look at this. You would have taken these 3 trades on your decision, not because they're signal, but you can do whatever you want with your trade. But look at this. You will be extremely happy. All freebies, guys. All this stuff is free. All right. Let me see what Terrence says. Okay, everything goes out on oil's bearish. Maybe the next week we will look toward. Oh, I don't know. I don't know on your question. Let me see what the FOREX PAIRS says. Can you help me with analyze WTI oil? I don't have that in here. So I'm analyzing what I already gave you guys on Sunday, because the whole reason for me to come here is to prove you guys that what I had done on Sunday, it works. It works because we use our triple arrow system. If you don't have the triple arrow system, the link will be dropped below, where we're gonna be giving you $25 cash back. All right. Let me see what Treatment 94 says. Do you use the higher time frame to see the difference between pullback versus major trend? Yes, sir. Treatment, I think you are in the right direction, and I mean, you're doing pretty good. So I don't know what is your winning ratio, but I mean, so far you're doing great. So let's go on our GBP versus our Canadian dollars. What are you guys doing on that one? Are you guys doing any bullish or bearish? Because you are about to see what I gave you guys on Sunday. So far, we had 3 winning trades. All right. So, but for some reason, the KB is acting up. But we're gonna be patient. We're gonna be patient. What other questions do you guys have? Do you have any particular question that I can address today? Remember, this is the opportunity that you have to ask real questions. All right. So for all right. So let's see what's going on here. For some reason, it frees up. Oh, I forgot to press this one. Okay. All right. So what other question do you have? The sound is okay, but I can't view the video. Okay. What do you know? I don't know what that means. Was buried. I had a 1-on-4 GBP Canadian in a breakdown today and another short. Okay. All right, so we're gonna check on GBP Canadian. All right, GBP Canadian is coming. For some reason, is the triple arrow free? Oh, FOREX, you are new. I see. No, FOREX, unfortunately, it's not free. It's a pay software. It's not that much. The link is below. Take a look at it. But look at how accurate it is. Triple arrow come in, the market drop. When the market goes bullish, triple arrow goes on the other way. It's that simple. My daughter is only 6 years old, guys. She knows how to read this stuff, and she's only in kindergarten. If a kindergarten know how to do this, Jesus Christ, there's no way that no one will be able to learn this stuff. But you need to learn how to apply rules. Not free, but it's well worth it. There you go. That guy is the guy. I like that name, but never regretted the purchase. There you go. Oh my God! Look at the GBP versus the Canadian dollar. Who was that? That was Talents. Let me see what Talent said. Was bearish, and look, Tara, come on, Talent. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Talents. That means you're not watching my videos, dude. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I clearly told you on Sunday. Obviously, on Sunday, the triple arrow was not there. I mean, it's still forming, right? So we're still missing one more. But look at what I told you on Sunday. I said the market was still dropping 3 more candles before the market takes off and retests our 38 to our 23 Fibonacci line. Look at that. Look at that. It performed exactly what I told you on Sunday. You hear Pemex. Who was the new guy? Frederick. Look at that, Frederick. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Maybe you didn't watch my video because this is your first time. But look at here. Look at what just by using our triple arrow system. It's because I respect my rules. I go by my rules. I respect them very religiously. If my rules don't meet, but yay. Triple arrow make the job easier, guys. It's like what Pemex said. I think it's well worth the purchase. But look at that. 4 trades, and we're still winning. All right, let me see what Talent says. I watch it, bro. I I took the 1 to 4 trade and hit my TP. Oh my God, congrats, man. But remember, talents, this is not signal, right? So this is just an educational purpose. Look at what you guys were doing on AUD Canadian. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Look at that. Look at the triple. I'm not allowed to cars here, guys, but look at it. I get so freaking excited, man, when things work out. And remember, the world is going to a panic mode. And look at my stuff, guys. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. What did I say on Sunday? I said clearly the market, maybe the triple arrow was not fully ready there yet. But look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said yes, the market was still dropping, a few more candles, and then it was gonna come back and be in mid 30s. Let me delete this. I can't see it. Remember, I use glasses, right? Let me take this off here. All right, there you go. Now, look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said that it was gonna come back and retest R23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. From that point on, market was gonna come back and retest R50 to R61 Fibonacci line. Look at that. It's doing exactly what I told you. Cheer on me, guys. Let me drink some of this because I get very excited. Oh my God, this is beautiful, guys. Look at that. How many pairs have we analyzed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many trades do you need in a week? How many winning ratios do you need? Do you just need only one, or do you need all 5? I'm very excited if I get just one perfectly. I don't need to be in many trades. But look at here. Look at here. Rule is the key. There you go, the guy. I still like that name, that guy. All right. All right, let me see what Pamic says. Irvin, if you see the triple arrow or the big arrow pointing down on the daily and the triple arrow pointing up on H4, that's not my rules. That's whenever you see that. But you know what? It could work, but that's not how I do it. I have to have more data. Guys, please do me a favor. Don't just only trade with the big arrow. The big arrow is the only arrow that repaints. It's the only one that repaints. So if you're just gonna be trading only from big arrow to big arrow, then this is not for you. You need to have more data. All right. So make sure that if you need help, you know, the private link, my private messenger is below. Just send me a message. But don't just trade by, you know, ask questions, guys. A lot of you are staying home because of the situation the world is living right now. So you can ask anyone. You can, I mean, anyone can help you if they have time. If they don't have to help you. But I mean, if they want to improve their skill, maybe that you can do, you know, a session with them and see if both of you can learn a new strategy. But so far, look at that. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's go to the next one. Let me see. Keys Peterson says, I thought on Sunday you call AUD USD GBP. Yeah, I'm coming to that one. That was the first key. That was the pre-week. Remember, I do the pre-week. The pre-week is on Saturday. And on Sunday, that's when I release the full analysis for the entire week. From the week of March 23rd to the 27th. But look at this, another great one here. Oh my God, man. Oh my God. Look at that. What is the triple arrow doing here? What do you think the triple arrow is doing? Any newbie here? I forgot the name of the new person that was in here. Forgot. But whoever was the new guy, look at here. Look at the triple arrow. Triple arrow is giving us a bullish market. I knew that on Sunday, but look at what I told you. I said the market was still dropping. Let me grab my right tool. Was still dropping, correcting, maybe 2-3 more candles. before it reversed. But look at what happened. The market pay you a bit more and then was gonna retrace back. So far, it did what I told you. Look at that. Market's still bullish. But remember, this is a temporary bullish market. This is when you need to be intelligent and say, you know what? I need to learn how to grab only 20 to 40 pips. If you don't do that, guess who's gonna go against you? The trend will eat you alive. Because remember, the master trend usually will go bullish or bearish from 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year, up to 2 damn years. And we don't have the stomach to be on a trade for a month or 2-3 weeks. I had the stomach to trade on Monday, enter on Monday, and exit on Friday. That's how I do it. I want to get paid every week. I want to take my family to a dinner. I want to enjoy life. This is how I do it. Alright, I think everybody's typing too quick. Let me see what Pamek says. Urban, if you, okay, they already answered that one. Let me see, is that the wrong pairs? No, it's not. All right, so Andrew answered a question in there. Thank you, Andrew. Let me see what Keith Pedersen said. Okay. Vicky says, if you miss the first triple arrow when the second opportunity to enter, yes, Vicky. If you missed, well, how can I explain you? Because it takes a long time to really go through your question. Your question is really good, Vicky. Usually, Vicky, let me phrase it in a different way. The rules that I use, I have an entry line that I know that I have to enter in that particular line. If it's out above my entry line, I'm gonna wait for the market to reverse. If not, then I'm not gonna do it. But that's when I do my trades on my others account, because I had 3 accounts. So it's very difficult to answer this, because I know if I start giving you the more explanation on your question, I will confuse everyone, and I just want to keep this nice and clean. But it's more into it. Maybe you can send me a private message to my Telegram below, and maybe we can wrestle this, in private. But let me see. Treatment, what kind of data? I don't know what do you mean with that. All right, let's go to the next pair. Let's go to our CHS versus our GBP Yen. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said what? I said the market was gonna come back and retest our 38 Fibonacci line. From that particular, the market was gonna take off. Look at that. Look at what I told you clearly. I said it on Sunday. Let me grab my tool so I can make it easy. I said the market was gonna come back and retest our 38 Fibonacci line. Look at that. It came exactly right there. And then what else did I say? A market was gonna come back and retest our 50 Fibonacci line. Look at what it's doing. It gave you more pips. Remember, we're here to collect what? Can someone tell me what are we here for? We're here to collect what? Come on, guys. Start with an H and ends with an S. Hundreds of what? And hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. There you go. Look at that. How many pairs have we done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 damn pairs, guys. Goodness. Look at this. Where else you gonna see this? And it's free, guys. Where else are you gonna see this? Name me someone. Look at that. There you go. Treatment. That's what we're here for. KP. That's what we're here for. Thomas. That's what we're here for. Thomas, that's what we're here for. Andrew, you got it. We're here for that. Everyone, we're here for these hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. Look at what I told you. I didn't make this up. I create the video and you come back today and you test it out. I don't know if anyone else is doing this, but I'm straightforward. I trade what I pay for it. Look at this. I paid to what? to trade triple arrow, I'm straightforward triple arrow system. Look at that. I don't add no more silly crap on my chart. It's straightforward. Triple arrow, my candles, and my Fibonacci line. There you go. Look at what else I told you guys on NCD versus US dollar. Look at what I told you. Oh, this is the 8 trade. 8 out of 14. Jesus. Let's say you lose the rest of the trades, right? You would lose what, 4, 6. Let's say you would lose the other 6 trade. You're still winning. Remember, we got 14 pairs, and so far we have 8 winning trades. Pay attention to this. I say on Sunday triple arrow was there. What did I say? I said the market was gonna come back and retest R61 to R78 Fibonacci line. Is it the market is performing exactly what I'm telling you, right? Still going up. It may do a small tiny reversal from there, but guess what it's gonna do? It's gonna continue up. That's what it's gonna do. All right, let me see what Thomas says. Thomas, but the super easy definitely doing their thing, of course. But Thomas, the secret here is also to know how you need to apply the rules. Because the triple arrow is a beast, guy. Triple arrow will fit you well if you know how to play the game right. But look at here. It's doing what I told you. Pay attention, guys. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so, alright? Because it also give us what? A thumbs up, guys. That's all I need, okay? So we can make more videos for you. And guess what? I'm gonna be doing more. Let me know if there's any video. Maybe I was thinking if maybe we can sit down and do the RSI thing. You know, you can trade over your phone and learn how to grab 10 pip. We can do it all over again. I can give you exactly the settings that I use. I don't want to hide anything. Remember, if you want to grab the triple arrow is a paid software. The RSI is not. This RSI is something I created myself and I gave it to the world. I want everyone to learn how to grab pips. It doesn't cost me anything. If you take out of the market $1,000, not like you're gonna take it out of my paycheck. You taking out of this, you know, this. To me, the market is not our friends. So let's change the world. Look at what the world is going through right now. Can you imagine the world? Everyone will have an extra $50,000 in their account. Of course, that would help many families. That's why God sent us here to make the world different. And I want to do that. Look at what the trade is doing as we speak. It's moving along. Oh my goodness, guys, I get very excited. All right, so yeah, Truman wants to know about the RSI. So let me know what day we can sit down. Let me check my agenda. On Friday, I have an event. Maybe we can do it on, what's today? Tomorrow is Wednesday. Maybe we can do it tomorrow. But I mean, that's what it is. All right, let's go to the next one. Ooh, look at this. All right, guys, look at this one. Look at the GBP versus our Japanese yen. Oh my God, look at this freaking thing, guys. Triple arrow is telling us the market is doing what? Look at how triple arrow is so freaking accurate. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I said on Sunday the market was gonna come back, still dropping a few more candles and retest our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. From that point on, market was gonna take off and retest our 61 Fibonacci line. Look at what the candles are doing, guys. It's going based on what I told you guys on Sunday. 9 out of 14. 9 out of 14. Go ahead and find another person that is gonna trade based on what I'm giving you guys. Alright, let me see what Talent says. I know someone who wants to buy the system, but there is an optical. I'm gonna refer this video. Oh yeah, man, look at this, dude. Look at this, Talents. 9 freaking trades, man, and we have not even lose one. I mean, remember, this is not signal. This is just for educational purpose. And remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader to collect, hundreds and hundreds of pips. Alright, perfect, guys. I'm so excited. Look at this. Last week was amazing as well. You can go back to the video. Alright, we have to have a trader. They have to go against us because that's normal. That's part of doing business. Look at what I told you guys on USD, JPY, Japanese yen. Remember, I said the market was in a downtrend. Why? Because I knew. And someone sent me a private message and said, Irvin, I think you're wrong. You're making a wrong decision. Well, your opinion matters to me, right? It really does. But when I'm gonna be taking a trade, I already make sure that all my rules are working based on what I'm gonna be doing. Look at what I told you guys here on Sunday. And look at here, guys. This is gonna be very, very interesting for next week as well. So next week, in my opinion, we're gonna see triple arrow coming down, coming bearish. Right? What I said on Sunday was the market from where it is right now, from this point on, I said the market is gonna come back and retest our 50 Fibonacci line. Right now, the market is just going sideways, but it's doing exactly what I told you. It hasn't had that big move yet. But in my opinion, triple arrow is gonna form in that particular area. Come back next Wednesday and you're gonna be amazed. Because I know. I'm not 100%, but my 90% accuracy, it tells me the triple arrow will form in that particular area. This area here, guys, is a key area. It's super, super powerful, this area here. I got too many drawing stuff here. Let me take this off. But pay attention, guys. Pay attention. This coming week, you're gonna see triple arrow in this area here. You're gonna see it here. And then guess what? It's gonna drop. Check the news. Always check the news, guys. That is rule number one in every single trade that you're gonna be taking in Forex. Even if your coach somewhere else, I don't know if you are from a different platform, if you belong to somebody else, they need to let you know as well. News is your number one, but triple arrow is a beast. And remember, the new version of triple arrow is getting work behind scene, which is gonna even be better and stronger. And now that my daughter is 6 years old and she knows how to do this stuff, guess what she's gonna learn? She's gonna learn the new version of the triple arrow because she already know what is hard because she already did her homework the hard way. Now it's easy for her to know the easy way. So, all right. So let me go ahead and read some of your questions, and we're gonna go to gold. Someone sent me a message to check on gold. Let me see what Talent said. Okay, alright, answer your question. Treatment 94 says best purchase, but tell them to learn the market structure. Okay, that's good. Look at that. Look at Treatment. Thank you, Treatment, for helping out. I appreciate that. Alright, so look at this guy. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. Oh my God, this is crazy. Look at that. We are on how many trades? I say 14, but I'm not really sure if I have 14. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, 14. So look at that. We are on the 11th trade so far. Look at that. Even my 11 trades still perform exactly what I told you on Sunday. Exactly what I told you on Sunday. Why did I say? Look at why is gold going bullish, guy? For the newest. If you're here the first time, make sure you subscribe. Second, let me give you the answer. Why is the market doing bullish? Look at how triple arrow is so freaking accurate. Look at here. Triple arrow is giving us what? It's giving us a bullish market, isn't it? Of course. Look at that. Market went up based on our triple arrow system. What did I say on Sunday? I said the market was gonna come back and retest our 38 Fibonacci line. Look at that. What happened? The market went off. It gave you those hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. Look at what Andrew said. Gold is gonna drop. It's paying. All right. I think. Let me delete all this. But I agree with you. In my opinion, yes, the market. To be honest, this is a bearish market. It from that. Oh, look at this, guys. Let me give you a secret. Because usually I teach this on the private session. Look at this. It's forming our 4 hours and our daily. What do you think it's gonna do from that? Well, Andrew already gave you the answer. But look at here, from that area, market will drop. I can come back next Wednesday and you're gonna be like, damn, this was accurate. This was true. I like those areas. I mean, the market is doing that, in my opinion. But hey, and on the bullish market, it gave you more than what I told you. But now it's for the market. It's time for the market to reverse. So Andrew's right. See, I told you, Andrew's a beast, man. Thank you, Andrew, for always being here, and I can't thank you anymore. You know, you are a great person. All right, now let's go to our next pair. So let's see if AUD, NCD. Someone was mentioning this earlier. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I forgot the person that asked me about this pair. Look left on the UJ. Where's the UJ? I don't know what you're talking about. Okay. Alright, look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I don't know if the triple arrow was there on Sunday or not, to be honest. I don't remember. There's things that I don't remember. But, I mean, the accuracy of the trade is pretty damn good. Look at what I said on Sunday. I said the market was going to do what? The market was going to come back and retest our 50 Fibonacci line. Look at what the market is performing. The market is going to our 50 Fibonacci line. From that particular area, I said the market was going to drop and then take off. But no, the market has not gone to our 50 yet. So, still valid in my opinion. Trade I gave is valid. But what do you think? Why is this market doing a bullish market, guys? It's simple. It's doing a triple arrow. What? Let me see if someone, Andrew, don't answer this. Let me see if you guys are paying attention. Why do you think the market is doing a bullish market? What do you think is doing that? Try to guess, guys. Try to guess. If not, I give you the answer. But I want everyone to really know why the market is performing a bullish market. What do you think it's doing? Let me drink some of the water because I get very excited here. Right. The answer is because the market is doing a pullback, triple arrow. This is when I usually tell people that you need to be careful. This is a triple arrow pullback. And most likely, if it hit our target area, market will reverse down. Okay? That's what it's gonna do. Look at that. I'm creating an M here. 1, 2, 3, boom, and it will drop. But yes. Let's go to the next pair. So maybe we're gonna do the RSI on Friday, guys. There you go. Thomas says a pullback. Congrats, Thomas. Very accurate on your end. KP says going to form a TA trending down. Yes, it's a pullback, KP. But you need to know when is the triple arrow performing a pullback and not. Okay. All right, let's go to our next pair. Someone also asked me about the GBP USD. Remember the pre-week that I gave you guys on Saturday was on Euro USD, GBP USD, and AUD USD. Look at this guy. This is the 13th pair out of 14. How many have we lost so far? Or how many trades went against our analysis? so far is 0. 0. Look at this. Can you imagine I will start giving you guys signal? Damn, man, woo, killing the market. But I just don't want to do that. I would really want you to learn how to be you the signal, not me. I want you to master the signal. Then you can control whatever you're gonna do on the market. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. I'm not really sure, again, if the triple arrow was there. But what is the triple arrow giving us right now? A bullish market. Why? Let me see. Thomas Falter. Let me pick you. Why do you think the GBP USD, it has this triple arrow therefore? Why do you think it's there? While you think about it, let me keep doing what I do best. I say on Sunday the market was gonna come back and retest R23 to R0 Fibonacci line. Look at what the market did. It came and retest exactly what I told you. From that particular area, I said the market was gonna come back and retest R38 Fibonacci line. Look at that. It's doing exactly what I told you. Look at Thomas, guy. Thomas is a beast. I'm telling you guys, this is not hard. This is the damn easy game, man. You got your ATM in your hands if you know exactly how to control the market. And remember, the whole entire world is going to a very sensitive situation. And look at here. Look at how fortunate we are. We have a very unique skills in our hands that no one can take it away from us. All we can do is, teach somebody else how to do it. But I'm here. Look at Andrew. Andrew he's a beast. I don't know how much knowledge he really has on his belt, but he's a beast, guy. He's a beast. Look at Thomas now. Look at what Thomas Falter said. I'm new, and he already know. Jesus Christ, this is freaking amazing, man. A brand new person, and he already know how I trade. Let's go to our last one. 13 out of 14, and how many have we lost so far? You tell me. You hear? 0. Nada. Alright. So far we had no losing trade. So can you imagine? This would have paid you entire months or the entire year's bill. 5-year experience, buddy. There you go. Look at Andrew. That's why he's a beast. It takes time, but I mean, he's always here, guys. This is the only way you're gonna improve your skills, by attending to other seminars. Like, there's plenty of triple arrow system. They have their own YouTube. There's another guy, I forgot his name. He loves to trade week by week. I think it's from some weekly to weekly. He's a pretty good damn guy too. So the secret here is to find your niche. You need to stick to one particular strategy and master that over and over and over again. Everyone has a different way to teach, but the only one that need to know how to do this is only you. Find what works best for you and stick to it 100%, and don't add any extra indicator. Look at how clean this stuff is, and it's easy for you to know it. But my personal thing is stick to your damn rules, and because the market will not fail you if you respect. All right, look at what Thomas says. I got 0 losses, but maybe the Euro USD is gonna go against us. All right, so we have done great so far, guys. We're gonna go ahead. What are you guys doing on Euro USD? Are you guys doing bullish or bearish? Let me see what Vicky says. Do you like trading on pullback, Irvin? I do, to be honest. But Vicky, when I trade pullback, I just only aim for 40 pips and then I walk away. Or either I put my TP to take me out on 40 pips and then that's it. because usually I'm very nervous when I trade pullback. I love to trade with my trend because that is my strength, and winning ratio is high. Because you most likely you're gonna have more winning ratio going with the trend than going against. So hopefully that answers your question. All right. So we're gonna go. I don't know what is going on here on my Euro NCD. It doesn't want to change. God damn it! Why is not doing that? Did I choose the right tool? All right. Let me see. Let me click. Oh, there you go. Woo! All right. The beer is on me. I wish you guys would have been here. I would have paid everybody's bills. But look at here. Look at what I told you guys on Sunday. On Euro versus RUSD dollar. Look at the time frame I'm using, first of all. I'm using what? 4 hours. Look, I don't know if the triple arrow was there on Sunday. To be honest, I don't remember. Most likely it wasn't. Thomas, this time you are wrong. This is right. Here you're going with the master, okay? This time I disagree with you. No, Terrence, you also are wrong. Both of you are confused in this particular area. So you will get it as you come more and more and more to my videos, okay? But this one here, you're going with the big boss. All right. Now, look at what I told you guys on Sunday. This is a good one, guys. This is a good one. I said on Sunday the market was gonna do what? It was gonna do still continue down, retest R0 Fibonacci line. From that particular area, the market was gonna come back and retest R23 Fibonacci line. It did exactly what I told you. Then what else did I say? I said the market was gonna come back and retest R23 to R0 Fibonacci line. Look at exactly what it did. It's doing exactly what I told you on Sunday. So out of 14 pairs, Thomas, how many did it win against us? Because you already gave me the answer previously. Let me make you the last person to tell me. It was a 1, 2, 0. All right. Let me see. Pam said, could you explain why I got with the master trend? It takes a long time, Pamex, to go through that. The reason that I don't want to say that, Pamex, is because as soon as this class is over, you guys are gonna be sending me tons and tons of private messages to my Telegram, and sometimes people get mad because I don't answer to all of them. So it's better off for me to keep it short and sweet. But you can send me a message to my Telegram. The link is below. But Thomas is right. Look at that. Out of 14, we have 0 trade going against us. Go ahead and compare it with anyone. Go ahead and compare it with anyone. Compare my stuff. Analysis costs you $0. It costs you only your time to go ahead and analyze it as a second eye. But look at that. 0, guys. 0. Alright, let me see why. Okay, Andrew is good. I'm okay with him. Thomas Photo said, oh yeah, I see the look in left and it's bullish. There you go. Okay, good, Thomas. I'm happy you got it. Alright, Hammocks. Okay, good. So I'm very excited, guys. Make sure you guys watch my pre-week that is coming this Saturday. And most likely I will not drop the full analysis on the super easy chat room. It's gonna go it's gonna be only on my page. So make sure you subscribe to my Telegram as well. There's a public Telegram in there, and I just gonna put it on YouTube normal. So hopefully that makes sense. Welcome, Mike. Finally I see Mike. But thank you guys again, and hopefully this has made sense to you, and I will see you next time. Okay, so take care, and talk to you next time. Let me see if I can choose this one. All right, guys, take care.